Hello Platers! Whether you're heading home for the weekend and holidays or getting to a far-off location, the Waze application can definitely guide you along the way with the least amount of traffic and stress. If you are unfamiliar with the route you would need to take to get to your destination, Waze is definitely a dependent partner. To get the most out of the community-powered, feature-packed navigation app, here are some tips you would need to remember. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Get to your destination faster, tips on how to maximize Waze. Number 1, the best time to depart. Everyone knows how crazy the traffic gets, especially the rush hour period. Waze can basically tell you how your trip will be affected by traffic based on your departure time. After choosing your destination, tap Later and you can scroll down to see how drive time is affected by what time you want to arrive. Make your selection, hit save, and Waze will alert you when it's time to leave. Number 2, alternate routes. After you plug in your destination, the application will choose the best route for you, but there are alternatives you can choose from. Tap the Routes button and you'll see other alternative routes you can take. On the list view, you can see if there are traffic accidents, construction, or police. On the map view, you can see how the route differs. Number 3, the overview. Clicking on the overview button gives you the idea of what are the things you would need to expect on your travel time. It indicates the total travel time, hazardous areas, or even the list of police personnel you might encounter. Number 4, send ETA. Are you running a little late for your meeting or barcada gathering? Then let them know the status of your travel by sending them your ETA. Tap the status bar at the bottom of the map and tap Send ETA to shoot out text or email with your arrival time. Number 5, voice directions. Waze can eat up your phone's battery given its constant usage of the application and your data, so be sure you turn your phone off and use the voice directions as much as possible. Waze provides when mapping you. It'll save battery life and human lives. Don't always look at your screen every now and then to avoid accidents. Number 6, have a clean map. Waze throws a lot of icons on its map, from police, speed cams, other Wazers to crashes, traffic jams, and even road construction. You can simplify and clean the map by heading to Settings, then Display and Map, then Details on Map, and toggling off the features you don't want appearing on your map. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.